So this house was damaged by the earthquake, and there is one pregnant lady. She was also affected by the earthquake. Dis-nous non, comment? Her name is Joseph Janine. Qui ça qui t'est passé? Expliquez-nous ça qui passe. So, during the earthquake, the wall fell down, and then the wall fell on me. The wall fell on me, and I have my daughter. She was with me, and Ute frappé, and she was hit on her right hand, and also she was hit, by the womb.
And then, as you can see, part of the house fell down on her, and that's the reason why she doesn't have anywhere to go. So she keeps sleeping in the house. But if we were to have any aftershocks, that would be very bad for her.
So the question was, so if she has been to the hospital, she said no. And we asked her why. She said she did not have any money to go to the hospital while she is suffering, but she could not go to the hospital. Now we have a mobile clinic, and she's pregnant, she needs care, so we will take her to the mobile clinic to take care of her.